Okay, got quite a few parts in. Okay, so the first one is a Tilton pump for the transmission. Everybody knows what a Tilton pump is. Then the derail cooler for the transmission. All AN 8 fittings, and then 930 axles, AN tool to do my fittings. Then we've also got, of course, the shifter, assembled coilovers, and another box from Pelican, and then we've got, I forget what this one is, I have to open it, but then eye-box springs, some more Tarrant stuff, Tarrant front and rear sway bars, the water block. Anyway, let's open up this Pelican box. See if I can open this one-handed. I don't have a razor blade, so using what I got. Computer RAM. All right, let's see what's in this Rennline box. Rennline packages their stuff very nicely. Oh, apparently that's got to be open. Oh, tow hooks. Sway bar weld on U-bends. Let's see if we can get these open. Okay, got a call. I had to stop videoing. Here we go. Gonna open these Rennline boxes up. And oh, there's more stuff too. I gotta go through more Rennline and Elephant Racing, stuff like that. Anyway, and it's cold right now, so that's why we're not technically working on the car. We'll be hopefully working on the car this week, later this week. Yeah, okay. Motor mounts. Okay, the front tie downs, front suspension tie downs. The Rennline stainless steel, billet aluminum, and Delrin front suspension bushings to run like coilovers, so that no restriction on the A-arms. Again, another Rennline product. Rennline billet aluminum, stainless steel, and Delrin rear suspension bushings. I'm going to use these instead of the 935 style. I think these are probably sealed better than just a joint out in the air. The spherical joint out in the air, getting dirt and dust on it. At least these will stay cleaner, I think. We'll see. If not, I'll just go to the 935 style. Anyway, here we go. Rennline bump steer correction kit. Elephant Racing rear monoballs for the rear trailing arms. And this is the front strut brace with the weld-on chassis braces. It's also a Rennline product. I like the weld-on stuff. It's a lot more secure. So, yep. And while I was digging around the shop, just looking for different things, I found my hoard of parts, or in my hoard of parts, I found the spacers I need for the rear wheels. These are 1.5 inch rear adapter spacers. They bolt on, they're not actual, just spacers, with hub centrics for PEPPERMINT, and it's for the rears, so that I can run the turbo 18-inch twist wheels. The reason for that is just for race days, because I can get a taller tire and change the gear ratio around a little bit more than the 16-inch wheels. So we'll run the 16-inch wheels the first day out or something, or maybe the first time out, and later that day we'll change to the twist or something. We'll see. But also I have a pair of 1-inch of these for the fronts to run the twists in the front, the 18-inch twists in the front. So, and we're getting all new tires on them as well. So, speed rated tires. Anyway, hey guys, appreciate it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks.